All right, guys, here's my Module 5 sample assessment problem to help you with 3C. Right, you have a cylinder with a sphere inside of it, something that looks similar to this picture, right? So on my picture, on my cylinder, I have this line going from one side of the cylinder all the way to the other side. That's a diameter. My diameter is 13 inches. Listen to the vocabulary. The height of my cylinder is 9 inches. So it says, for me, you have a cylinder with a diameter of 13 inches and a height of 9 inches. What is the volume of the largest sphere that will fit inside of it? So we got to be careful here, all right? So I'm going to show you a couple things. Now, do I need to find the volume of the cylinder? No, not really. If you want to, you can. There's the formula. So look, for the base, it's a circle, pi times radius squared times height. Now remember, radius, right, goes from the center, right, of the circle to the outside edge. The diameter here is 13, so my radius is only 6.5. Now that's important, all right? So file that right there and just listen to me as I keep going. We're really wanting to focus on the volume of the sphere, all right? So your formula for a sphere, the volume of it, is 4 times pi times r to the third power, all that divided by 3. There it is. You're going to use that same formula. Now this is really important. Now when you look at the picture, all right, you see here that on the sphere, right, that the height there, right, is 9, okay? So that's kind of important, okay? When you look at the diameter of the cylinder, it's 13. So on the sphere here, if the height is 9, that means like kind of, and let me get a different color pen for you, all right, that the diameter of the sphere is 9, okay? That's this line, that's 9. So my radius of the sphere, right, is going to be half of that, which is going to be 4.5. Now look, that's really important, right? Because you can't use anything bigger than that, or it's not, you can't use 13. So the biggest amount that you have to choose from is found by looking at the diameter of your sphere and then taking half of that for your radius. So for me, mine's 4.5. So like on my formula here, when I sub into this, all right, I'm gonna have 4.5 to the third power. Disregard that, don't worry about that right there. This is all mine, right? But when I do the work here, right, when I take 4.5 to the third power, all right, it's looking, like, remember, it's going to be 4.5 times 4.5 times 4.5. You use an order of operations, all right? Take that times pi times 4, divide the whole thing by 3. Now, remember, the 4.5 is mine, okay? So when you're looking at yours here, what you want to be focused on is this dimension here, right? This is 12. This would be like, right, the height of your sphere. All right, so that's like your diameter. So if that's 12, then your radius you're going to want to use is 6. And remember, your formula is 4 times pi times r to the third divided by 3. So you sub that in, right? You use order of operations, and you should be good to go, okay? Send me some questions via email if you're still not sure. Hope this helps. Have a good one.